para po sa pagkatapos po ng downloading po nito, makita po natin yung totoo at yung malinaw na pangyayari. Naka-on po yung dashcam at nare-record po lahat ng mga nakukuhanan niya.
A special task force has already been formed to look into Lapid's killing. Malacanang says it expects to receive an investigation report in 7 days.
Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos also found justice for the killing of broadcaster Percy Lapid. In a statement, Abalos said government will not turn a blind eye to the heinous act. He says his agency and the PNP are committed to bringing the perpetrators behind bars. Abalos adds that the DILG will continue to strive to protect media practitioners as he recognizes their role as watchdogs and as the government's partners in information dissemination. Condemnation and calls for justice